Hi guys. Okay, so I'm not sure where you're from, but here in Canada, we sign waivers to keep ourselves safe. A lot of people are asking me. They're asking me about insurance. How do I protect myself? Do I have anything extra? What do I do about that? Well, to keep myself safe, I have my clients sign a waiver. So when they're here, upon arrival, I give them a piece of paper. Actually, it's two papers. And one is to fill out. I have them fill out their name, their email, a little bit of information. I need to know if they have any health issues, diabetes, if they take immune suppressors for some kind of illness, someone who's breastfeeding or pregnant. I need to know if they're 18 years old, and I gotta explain them the complication or risk that can arise. Although unlikely, you need to be told. I don't want anyone to have any surprises. And this paper just keeps us from having those type of unfortunate surprises that could come around. It explains that they fully understand the treatment that they're about to go through, and they sign giving me permission to do it at their own will. After that's done, I treat the area. We fill it up, make them look great, and I ice the area immediately. I find it really helps the swelling stay down. Those who wait and ice later, I find the swelling just gets a little out of hand and it's not very pretty, and some people just can't go out of the house for 24 to 48 hours, and that's not fun. So I send them home with a little ice pack and with a paper, another paper. This is paper number 2. They go home with this one, and it's about what to do, what to expect, lumps and bumps after a dermal filler, the possibilities, what to do if it swells, what to do if they feel little lumps, how to take care of it, and how long it'll last. Just it helps ease their mind knowing that they're going through such a treatment like this, and they have something to look back on and know that their swelling isn't abnormal and it's okay, and that they're going to be fine in a day or two. So that's really handy for them. I find it just helps the client feel a little better. And that's it. That's what I wanted to talk about today. That's how we protect ourselves here in Canada. Please look at the laws and regulations in your area, though, because I really don't know how it works in the States or in Europe or wherever you are. I hope you enjoyed my videos. If you have any questions about the waiver and the take-home paper, you can email me at lori.collard@hotmail.com, and you can follow my blog at lcharaddict.com. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.